If you've ever been to Cambodia, you would recognize this food. It features in so many restaurants in the country because it's so easy to make and tastes delicious. It's called Lok Lak, and today I'm gonna show you how to cook it. Stay tuned. Here are the ingredients. It's not that many, isn't it? For the seasoning things, you can just put anything into it to form the taste that you like, but you can always stick to my recipe. First, let's make the sauce by chopping some garlics and slicing limes. Put your garlic with black peppers and then a little bit of seasoning like salt or sugar, and then squeeze your lime, and that's it. Just like your tomato, like what you're seeing here. Same thing with your onion. And that's it, it's time to prepare your salad. After you've done with your veggies, you can keep it refrigerated or put it somewhere. And then we can proceed to prepare beef fillet by chopping it into small dices like you see in this video. You can slice it in thin layers, it's fine. Now let's cook by putting chopped garlic and keep it there until it turns brown. The reason why we put garlic before beef is that we want the smells of garlic to reduce the smells of beef. So that's why whenever we cook meat, we always put garlic before meat and then put meat in. When you're done with it, just get it out from the frying pans and put it on top of the veggies that you have prepared. And then you can eat them with your sauce. And you can eat them like a wrap, like you can see I'm doing in this video. And thank you for watching, and hopefully you subscribed and liked this video and come back. Thank you so much.